What if there's a magical financial genius AI prompt that can read your chart screenshot and instantly give you a full trade setup with entry, stop loss, and take profit? This isn't theory, this is happening in real time. And in this video, I'll show you how to use this exact AI prompt and how you can get it for yourself at the end. So first, I take a screenshot of my chart. Let's say we're analyzing BTC on the 5-minute time frame. Now I go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and simply insert the pair as BTC/USD and the time frame as 5M. Then I attach the chart screenshot and hit enter. Now look at this. The AI instantly generates a complete institutional level analysis. It breaks down market structure, smart money concepts, liquidity zones, indicators, and most importantly, high probability trade setups. Here you can see it gives both buy and sell scenarios, but this one is marked as high probability, while the other is just the alternative scenario. So what do? We take the highest probability setup only. We enter the trade, and boom, that's a clean move into profit. Now let's try another market. Let's go with gold. Same process, take a screenshot of the chart, go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, insert the pair XAUUSD and your time frame, attach the image, and hit enter. Again, it gives a full breakdown, smart money zones, liquidity, structure, everything mapped out clearly, along with trade setups. We pick the best probability setup, enter the trade, and once again, the trade plays out beautifully. So that's how you can generate structured, professional trade setups using ChatGPT and one powerful prompt. Now, if you want this exact prompt, I've added it in a Google Doc link in the description. Just copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, attach your chart screenshot, and insert your pair and time frame. This works on all markets and all time frames. Make sure to take trades only on a bit bigger market moves, like break of structure or change of character, and avoid the sideways market.